Former Bafana Bafana player and retired football star Thandani Ntshumayelo made a brief appearance in the Randburg Magistrates Court on Monday before being released on bail. Ntshumayelo, who was taken into custody on Saturday on charges of domestic violence, was granted a 1,000 rand bail. The former Orlando Pirates and SuperSport United midfielder faces charges of assault under the Domestic Violence Act after his girlfriend opened a criminal case against him. He is accused of striking his girlfriend with an open hand and hitting her against the wall. The case has been postponed to April 4 for further investigation. Back in 2016, Ntshumayelo was slapped with a 4-year ban after he tested positive for drugs. He entered a guilty plea, received a 4-year ban, and management at Orlando Pirates terminated his contract, causing his career to prematurely slow down. Nevertheless, the prohibition was revoked following his successful appeal. In June 2023, the former dribbling wizard made an announcement that he was hanging up his boots for good. He was 33 years old at that time and said, "After consultation and lengthy consultation with my family, I've decided to officially announce my retirement from football with immediate effect. I feel privileged to have released my dream of becoming a professional footballer." Ntshumayelo has played for the national team, SuperSport United, Orlando Pirates, Baroka, and Swallows. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.